at Vandenberg Air Force Base, Central California. The media gathered in force on Sunday to witness the launch of SpaceX's new and improved Falcon 9 rocket, which was primed to carry the Canadian Space Agency's Cassiope satellite into a polar orbit from the West Coast spaceport. The press gathered on a bluff about 3 miles from the launch pad. The countdown was relayed by a PA system nearby. The launch window was scheduled from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., but unofficial announcements had pegged a likely liftoff time of 9:21. While no SpaceX personnel were in evidence, the Air Force supplied engineers and technicians involved with the launch.
The engineers that are currently out there, I trained a lot of those guys, and they've been out there day in and day out watching SpaceX testing operations and making sure that their processes are robust enough to support future spacelift for the government.
We're here to possibly see a Falcon 9 SpaceX rocket. This is really a historic event for Vandenberg. This could actually be our third launch for the week. And the last time that this happened was in July of 2004. So again, this is a historic event and we are all really excited to see a lot of hard work come into play.
So has anybody set up a pool on the odds of the launch going well today?
No, not in our office.
Would you tell me if they did?
Probably not, but
everyone waited for the expected liftoff time, and then,
what?
Without the benefit of a countdown, the rocket departed the pad promptly at 9 a.m., taking reporters by surprise. The launch was picture perfect, with the upgraded Falcon 9 arcing southward towards its polar orbit. Such traditionally military orbits are best accomplished in the United States from Vandenberg's West Coast launch site. The surprise blastoff was unexpected, but taken with good humor. The day was too beautiful to complain.
What? You can't do that!
That's what you got on camera. What?
I think I was a little more colorful than that.
Holy!
So what did you think?
That was awesome. That's our third launch for the week.
So you guys happy?
I'm pretty pleased, yes.
Well, we would have been a little bit happier if we
Absolutely, that was me.
Okay, this is pretty exciting. I mean, it looked like everything went well, like I said, and it allows us to get on with doing our other missions, which is exciting as well because we have a few other things on our plate. But furthermore, for at least as far as SpaceX is concerned, New Hampshire is concerned, it allows us to move into the next phase of evaluating them and trying to put together a report and hopefully ultimately lower the cost of spacelift for the government.
Well, you know, it's been a long road for Elon Musk and his band of merry rabble-rousers down there at SpaceX representing New Space, but I think this is a long-time vindication. A lot of folks had some doubts about him and the company, but he has time and time again proven them wrong, and we really saw the culmination today with the first Falcon 9 version 1.1 being launched out on the West Coast. Never been done before. Went on time, literally, right when the launch window opened. Surprised a few of us because there wasn't any countdown on the net, so it was just a couple of folks were startled with that. But you know, hearing the sound of those engines, that rumble, and just watching on a clear blue day, very rare out here at this time of the year at Vandenberg, very awe-inspiring.
While there were a few glitches with the booster recovery test, the satellite payload was delivered to orbit without incident. Another success for Elon Musk and SpaceX.
Space.com